Hello and welcome to ClicData. Let's see how to build a data exchange hub in your app. The first step is to connect to your preferred data sources. You do this by accessing the connections here. Click the Add New button to add a new connection. Many types of connectors are available: file storage systems, applications, databases, web services. Let's connect to Hubspot, for example. Authenticate in a few clicks, and once the connection is validated, head over to Tables. Create a new table by selecting the new connection and the smart view you wish to get. Here, the contacts table. Select more fields if needed, and preview the first rows. Click Save to finalize the import. Create as many connections as you need and centralize all the data tables in your data warehouse. In our example, we also get data from an Excel file stored on an FTP server. Another way to get data is to send it via webhooks using data hooks. Set up one data hook per webhook. Fetch the data from the received payload and insert it into a table. Now, you may want to aggregate the tables to obtain a new table containing all the data for further usage. Dataflow is our powerful data cleaning and transformation module that has over 35 nodes for you to create data processes. Let's work with these two tables. Clean and prep them as needed using filters, aggregations, and more. Finalize the data flow by sending the prepped data into an output table. This keeps the source tables intact and creates a new table with the aggregated data. With the data now aggregated and ready, you can stream it via a data stream. Data streams can distribute any table to external apps and systems in a few clicks. Start by selecting the table. Then choose the destination of the stream, here a Dropbox. Select the folder to send it to and define rules to generate a new file every day. Choose the output format from delimited text, Excel, JSON, or XML. Now you can execute the data stream, and the current version of the data is sent to the Dropbox as an Excel file. Data can also be streamed to databases. Select the connection and the update rules in the database to create new tables or append data in existing tables. Streaming can also be set up to send data to various storage systems, your ClicData data lake, and even as a secured web stream like we are creating here. This option can be used to get data via a URL and load it into an Excel sheet, for instance. All of these steps can be automated simply with schedules. Select the frequency of a schedule and list the tasks to be performed in the wished order: data refresh, data flow execution, and finally the data stream execution. With ClicData, you get your data collection, aggregation, and streaming project ready in a few clicks. Contact us for a personalized demo or start your trial at www.clicdata.com.